So what is the relation between elastic constants? Now here this elastic constants are basically tells what na Young's modulus, bulk modulus, G is called what basically? Shearing modulus, and bulk modulus, shearing modulus also called as what? Modulus of rigidity, right? Modulus of rigidity. So G and P is called what? P is called what? Poisson's ratio. Y is Young's modulus, B is bulk modulus, and G is called basically shear modulus or modulus of rigidity. Okay, now here if relation you want to find, so here the first relation I will write Young's modulus equal to 3B, 3 times bulk modulus 1 minus 2P. How much? 1 minus 2P. Now second thing write B, Young's modulus also can be written as 2G 1 plus Poisson's ratio. Hey, the note you take a note, I took note from somewhere. You got the note from them? Okay. This relation already I told you, right? Just again remember. Remember, this relation between elastic constants Y, B and G and P. These are called elastic constant is 4. But Y, B, G, this is called what? This is called modulus of elasticity. But P is not modulus of elasticity. P is only Poisson's ratio. Remember, P you can call elastic constant, but P you cannot call modulus of elasticity. Understanding clearly? Then after here, C is what? C is Y also can be written as 9 bulk modulus into shear modulus divided by 3 times bulk modulus plus shear modulus. And another write also, write here D. If I write Poisson's ratio, so what is Poisson's ratio? Now Poisson's ratio P equal to 3 times bulk modulus minus 2 times shear modulus divided by 6 times bulk modulus plus 2 times shear modulus. Understanding? So this relation you remember. This is relation between what? Elastic constant Y, B, G and Poisson's ratio. Everybody clear? And one more thing, know what is this Poisson's ratio in practice? Already I told in practice what is Poisson's ratio value. In practice means in practically, Poisson's ratio value is 0 to half, 0 to half or 0 to 0.5. Based on this we will do some questions today. Okay, 1 to 2 questions we will do. After that we will be going to some other questions. Okay. Now everyone write this MCQ, right? First complete this one, relation between elastic constant Y, B, G and P. Y equal to 3B into 1 minus 2P. Okay. And Y equal to 2G 1 plus P. P equal to what? Poisson's ratio. Now come to this question and try to solve here. Here I am telling here, otherwise here write MCQ. If Y and B are what? Are Young's modulus and bulk modulus, then what they are telling? Okay. For a material, then in practice means practical values. In practice, option A what telling? Y is able to understand clearly? Now check here, already last class I told, just before the slide what I told you, see. So I told here Y equal to 3B 1 minus 2P, right? This relation you remember or not? Y equal to 3B 1 minus 2P. Now here go for this one, Y equal to 3B 1 minus 2P. Now from here you can write Y by 3B, how much? 1 minus 2P. Now listen, P value is between 0 to half. Now you understand 1 minus 2P, you try to understand. Now you tell me, if I will substitute 0 here, then 1 minus 2P value is coming actually maximum. How much coming? Maximum. That is how much? 1. If I am putting 0, then it is coming maximum 1. Minimum check, 1 minus 2P value, how much minimum? minimum how much coming? If you put half only, minimum will come, that is 0. Then after here what I can write? I can write my y 1 minus 2p is nothing but 0 to 1. That implies what? 0 to 1 is also y by 3b. Understanding or not? Clear or not clear? Clear ma? Now? Okay. Now tell me, what telling? How it is 1, right? See here, if I substitute 0, if I substitute p value 0, because in practically p value can be 0. If I substitute 0 here, 1 minus 2 into 0, how much? 1. 1 minus 2 into 0 means it is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 minus 2p value is coming maximum. Maximum value is coming 1, minimum value how much coming? 0. So that's why 1 minus 2p value minimum 0, maximum 1, and already you know 1 minus 2p is nothing but y by 3b. So here you are putting y by 3p, you are getting here 0, you are getting 1. Clear idea? Yes or no? Then after from here what you can calculate? You can take 3b that side. This implies y is less than 3b. Y is less than 3b. Okay. Now listen, one more I am telling. First of all, this expression remember, just now I told y equal to 3b. From here if you y by 3b will calculate, how much will come? 1 minus 2p. Now this 1 minus 2p, you see what is maximum value, what is minimum value. How to find maximum minimum? Now already you know Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio is nothing but, Poisson's ratio is 0 to half. 0 to half. Now this p minimum value is 0, maximum value is half. So this minimum value substitute first. So 1 minus 2 times 0 is basically 1 minus 0, which is 1. And that is your first value. If you put p equal to 1 by 2, p equal to 1 by 2 will put means it is 1 minus 2 times 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, 1 minus 1 is 0. Understanding? So here what is happening? 0 is greater or 1 is greater? 1 is greater, so that's why 1 minus 2p, 1 value is maximum value and 0 value is minimum value. Then after you are writing 1 minus 2p value is between 0 to 1. Between 0 to 1. So writing like this is the mathematical writing. 1 minus 2p value is 0 to 1. Now 1 minus 2p is nothing but y by 3b. Now substitute y by 3b. Okay. Then after it is 0 to 1. Now here this 3b will go multiply here. This 3b will multiply here. Then what answer you are getting? Now y is greater than 0 and less than 3b. Y is greater than 0 and less than 3b. Understanding? So option will be which option? A. Option A put. Okay. Option A. Now everybody clear? Got clear or not? Similar question come to 24. Similar question come to 24. Ma Monisha, you understand? Darshini, no issues for you. Shalini, okay. So first p value substituting, you are getting 1 minus 2 p maximum value and minimum value. Okay, clear or not clear? Now similarly come to next question. Eta, you see, eta or g, eta g is same. Okay, so eta or g, that is basically modulus of rigidity, represents Young's modulus and modulus of rigidity. No issues. Modulus of rigidity of a material. Then what asking? Then in practice, understanding question? Same format question you try to solve yourself. You see previous question, see here, this one, see here, this one, this equation you take. So this is g is nothing but eta. G is nothing but eta. If it 2 eta I take this side, it will be y by 2 eta. How much it is? Y by 2 eta equal to how much? 1 plus p. Okay, now see here, I am taking this expression. Now see here everyone, y equal to 2 eta 1 plus p. Eta and g both are same. Then after here I can write y by 2 eta how much? 1 plus p. Now p value already you know. So p value what tell? 0 to half. Now you tell me for 1 plus p value, what is 1 plus p maximum? And what is 1 plus p value? Minimum. If it's 0, I will substitute. Minimum value 0, I will substitute for p. How much will come? 1 plus 0 means how much? 1. 1 plus half means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. So 1.5 greater or 1 is greater? If 1.5 is greater, then after 1 plus p value will be maximum. Maximum value will be 1.5. So I can write 1 plus p is greater than 1 less than how much? 3 by 2. Then 1 plus p is nothing but how much it is? It is here y by 2 eta. So right here y by 2 eta. Y by 2 eta. Now solve this equation. 2 eta multiply here, 2 eta multiply there. 2 will get cancelled. It will become 3 eta, it will become 2 eta. Now tell answer. Now you say answer. Now listen, here if 2 eta multiply everywhere, you will get 2 eta less than Young's modulus less than 3 eta. That means Young's modulus value is between 2 eta to 3 eta or 2g to 3g. So which answer will come? Option A. Option A will be correct. Hey, everybody understanding or not? Everybody understanding or not? Last step, you see here what is there tell? Here it is 1 y by 2 eta is greater than 1 and less than 3 by 2, right? Now 2 eta multiply everywhere. It will become 2 eta. Here 2 eta cancel. Here it will become 3 eta because 2 and 2 will get cancelled because you are multiplying 2 eta. So that is becoming how much? 2 eta y is greater than 2 eta and less than 3 eta. Understand? Now answer matching with you. Correct? Understanding or not? Masalini, understand? Okay. Write down solution. Write down. This is the solution. This formula you know. From this formula you are getting what is your 1 plus p maximum value. Maximum value 3, minimum value 1. From where coming? From this relation coming. Already this relation I told you. Now able to understand or yes or no? Okay.